Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno7 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. As you can see right here, we've got language and region options, so let's tap, and here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got the English and Russian right now, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose in this device. So basically all we have to do in order to change the language is to simply tap on the one we'd like to use. So I will pick Turkish, and as you can see, after picking the particular language, your device will ask you if you want to set this one as a default. So simply tap on yes, and as you can see, the Turkish immediately appears at the very top of the list, and from now on the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you've got a lot of languages added to this list, then you do not have to enter the list of them. For example, let's pretend that I want to change the language to Russian. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the language and hold it and drag it to the very first position. Here we have to confirm, and as you can see, from now on everything will be displayed in Russian. So let me do it again and switch to English, confirm it, and as you can see, we've got the English set. Of course, you can remove the languages from this list and just tap on the three dots icon and tap on edit. As you can see right now, we can mark the languages. We cannot mark the language which is defaultly set, and simply tap on delete. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your OPPO Reno7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.